So we're in Little Harbor. Way out there in the distance you see Japan. Here's our cove. Here's our fleet of boats.
Water, our friend Mike.
Here's the beach.
And the campground where we're having a
Joy.
bonfire tonight.
I'm going to look down. I'm up on a cliff, so we're going to look down
Joy.
at the ocean on the rocks. You see the wave action going on.
Take a picture. Proof of our existence.
And then this evening, we're going to go over here to that campground right over there and have a campfire. Wish you were all here.